the street circuit. Yeah, I think they pretty much there's something called track walk we usually have when we go abroad racing on the streets. We have something called a track walk, and then we have a kind of a paper where we actually analyze the corners of the track. We have to once we go out, we'll know which gears, what corners, what speed, everything. That's how we analyze it. So being an experienced racer, I'm sure there's 90% of the people very experienced on the racetracks. So first corner itself, they would know how the track is performing. 2 laps it takes for a person to know what the track is actually, how fast and what are the gears going to be for every corner. So it's going to be easy for them for sure.
Chennai team is also here. Again, do you have any specified drivers here to show on? Any specified drivers have come here to?
No, actually, Chennai team, it's going to be tough for them with other racers also in the fray. It's basically going to be tooth and nail finish this time. Chennai, I really doubt if we are going to be at the top, but we have Hyderabad really, very strong racers. We have Goa, we have Kolkata also. So fingers crossed. Let's see, racers, anyone wins, it's good. It's good for the city's improvement. It's good for a lot of youngsters coming up. It's a boost for everyone. Now every single person knows what's car racing. Before it was just Tala Ajit, racing. But now if you say car racing, yes, it happened once in Highland Ground. So that name we have created. So it's something very big.
There are so many varieties. This is happening.
Yes, it's a good point, because I was just talking to the few officials yesterday, and I was talking about what if it rains, if it's going to be like heavy rain, 80% rain. They said that it's manageable because they have wet tires, which is it's going to be on the car. But till now, on the first round, they haven't tested the tires yet. So I don't know. The road is completely different compared to the street. So it's very, very different. So I don't know how they're going to manage. And if you see the corners, it's very tight. Because they have still not laid the tires. So it's going to be very tough for them to. If it's going to rain, I think the better man win.
The young players are into it. The young driver, big driver here.
It's nothing like that. I have a kind request to all the public who's watching this. Please do not, after seeing this race, please do not go home and race fast. While going back home, do not race fast in your cars or bikes, because it's a kind advice. All of us, we are very experienced, and we can deal with any situation which happens on the track, and we are very well equipped. So you racing on the roads, it's dangerous to you as well as the public. So it's a very kind request to all the people watching. If you really want to be a racer, there are a lot of ways to become a racer. You see a lot of racers over here. There are numerous ways for you to become a racer. So please do not drive fast. No, this is a kind advice to all the public.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.